Can I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
Are you busy next week?
Not yet. Why?
Are you busy next week?
Not yet. Why?
I want to grab lunch.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
I want to grab lunch.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
Do you cook often?
Sometimes, when I have time.
Do you cook often?
Sometimes, when I have time.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Is your phone charged?
Yes, fully charged.
Is your phone charged?
Yes, fully charged.
Should I call you later?
Yes, anytime after 8.
Should I call you later?
Yes, anytime after 8.
Will you be home then?
Yes, I'll be around.
Will you be home then?
Yes, I'll be around.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
Let's talk again soon.
Definitely.
Let's talk again soon.
Definitely.
Take care.
You too.
Take care.
You too. What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Why? What happened?
I slept late.
Why? What happened?
I slept late.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Do you use Facebook?
No, just Instagram.
Do you use Facebook?
No, just Instagram.
Do you chat often?
No, not really.
Do you chat often?
No, not really.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I have work.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I have work.
Are you busy today?
No, I am free.
Are you busy today?
No, I am free.
Shall we meet then?
Sure, sounds good.
Shall we meet then?
Sure, sounds good.
Can I call you later?
Sure you can.
Can I call you later?
Sure you can.
Should we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Should we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Is it raining?
Yes, a little.
Is it raining?
Yes, a little.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
What's your plan?
I'll study tonight.
What's your plan?
I'll study tonight.
When will you go?
In the evening.
When will you go?
In the evening.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do.
What do you want?
Just some water.
What do you want?
Just some water.
Hey, have you cleaned your room?
No, not yet.
Hey, have you cleaned your room?
No, not yet.
Oh, who is that?
That's my friend.
Oh, who is that?
That's my friend.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Then what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Then what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Good to know.
Thank you.
Good to know.
Thank you.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.